What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be playing Granny Chapter 2. Granny Chapter 1, that series is basically over because I looked it up. Holy cow, hold on, let me just turn down the volume a bit. But yeah, so Granny Chapter 1, I thought we were going to be able to do the sewer ending, but we can't because the Steam version does not have that update. Because of how it was taken off Steam and stuff like that. It's just not possible, so we're not going to be able to do that, so we're going to go ahead and do Granny Chapter 2 here. So I think what we're going to do is head right into some easy mode here. And alright, Granny hears everything. Grandpa doesn't hear very well, but he hits hard. Hold F to free yourself from bear traps. Hide under the bed. Hide under beds or wardrobes. You have 5 days. Use headphones for best experience. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this Granny Chapter 2 up in here. Interesting. Oh gosh. Alright, we got beat by Grandma. Knocked us out. They stuffed me in their trunk? Oh. Their back seat. I don't know why they want me so bad. Interesting. Alright. So we got a lot bigger of a house here to go through. Alright, day 1. Here we are. Ooh. We got ourselves a nice little room here. Okay, I can hear them. Can't tell where they are. I think they're just upstairs. But you never know. Oh, that's their clock. I feel like someone's down here. Yeah, maybe not. I don't know. It's so hard to get a crowbar for that. Really nothing down here that we need. Oop. That probably got someone down here. The heck was that noise? Alright. Got weird noises. Good. No idea what's going on here. I only hear one of them. So hard to hear. Grandpa might be sleeping. It looks like we got a boat here. Boat ending. What is this? Glass fuse. Need a padlock key for that. Jeez Louise, that scared the poop out of me. Okay, I can't tell if anybody's down here. Doesn't look like it. Sounds like someone's right above me. Alright, I don't know how we're gonna get upstairs. Interesting. Uh-oh. Alright, he's coming downstairs. Okay, it is so hard to tell where they are. Going on up here? Alright. We hide somewhere in here? Yes, we can hide in here. Yeah. Got a hidey hole here. Yeah, look at the front doors all electrified and stuff like that. That's interesting. think someone's gonna be walking past us here real quick. I believe. Oh, yep, here's Granny. Yep, she's walking by. I don't hear Grandpa anymore. Oh. Nope, I do. Grandpa might be above us. Oh, I'm done. Oh gosh. I think that's Grandma that's coming to check it out. Yep. Oh gosh, please don't come in here. Holy cow. I hate it when they walk right in front of the thing. Terrifying.
Do you want to play hide and seek?
Yeah, they shouldn't be faster than I am. They should honestly be pretty slow. We could test it out. Oh gosh, that was scary. He was right there. I don't know where Grandpa is. He sounds like he's like... I haven't seen him in a while. He's either upstairs or he's downstairs or he's on the main floor. Let's see. Anything going on in here? There's Grandma. Go around this way. I don't know where Grandpa is. Grandpa, go up here. We can't go through there. Grandma's pretty deaf. Or blind. Okay, she's chasing me. Where's Grandpa? Yeah, I think Grandma's lost track of me. Yeah, she definitely has. We got a picture piece there. Helicopter key. I don't know where Grandpa is. He's doing some other things or something like that. Like, who knows? Okay, we do got this area down here. So Grandma will probably come in here. Or we use this thing? Oh, we need a wrench for that. 'Cause it's bolted down, it looks like. Okay. Is Grandma gonna come down here? Is that? Probably. Yeah, I don't want to be afraid because they're not very fast, so I can outrun them easily. Can you leave, Granny? There we go. Alright. Okay, she just pooped out a trap right in the door. Of course, Granny. Of course. Can't go through the window. Uh-oh. Granny saw me. She is super blind though, so she's not gonna be able to keep track of us. We can open this, can't we? Yeah, there's nothing in there. Where's Peepaw? Or Grandpa? Oh gosh, he's right there. Oh shoot, he's fast. We loop Grandpa? Oh gosh, he's going through the stupid... Oh, he's fast. Way faster than Granny. Okay, let's just go upstairs. Upstairs we go. Did he come up here? He did not. Okay. Get through here. Oh gosh. We got gasoline. I'm pooping my pants over here. Okay, there we go. We have now this little area we can use. Okay, there they are. That's Granny, I believe. Grandpa is probably... I think he's in there. I think when that door is open, that means he's in there. Okay, nobody's up here right now, I don't think. Oh, there's Grandpa. He's right there. You gonna make your stupid noise? Okay, you ugly. Let's watch him go by. Then that'll make me feel a lot better. If we can see him walk by. Okay, let's see. I already missed him, but I don't think I did. Must have. Oh, there's Granny. Unless Grandpa didn't go down there. He must have, maybe he turned around. Yeah, I don't know. Grandma's super blind though, so she can't see me very well. Oh, she can see me pretty well. Okay. Oh gosh, I don't like that. She can see me. She can see me better than Grandpa can see me. Jeez. Alright, she's going back downstairs. I don't know where Grandpa is. He might be... I don't think he's up here. Uh-oh. Get down here. Okay, what is this? Weapons key. I don't know where the weapons key is.
Huh?
So... we'll have to, investigate that. What the heck is that? What is that beeping? Oh gosh. Oh, he's looking on his camera. Okay. That's what Grandpa's doing. Searching on his camera, his security cameras. Okay, he's coming out. Alright. Where is he going? Does that go around? I have no clue. No clue where that goes. I don't think it goes around. Nope, does not. Get back in here. Where Grandpa sees us. Okay, he's going over there. Let's see if he comes this way. If he does, then we can go explore a little bit. Yeah, he did. Okay. Let's go back this way. I think Granny's coming up here now. Yeah, she is. Junk. Granny's a piece of trash. Let's get Granny over here. We can drop this over here and get Granny's attention. We'll get Granny's attention over there. Oh gosh. Piece of trash? You're garbage, Granny. We're fine. Can we get in here? No, we cannot. What is in here? Helicopter. We can control the helicopter. Okay. Do they do like cycles? I can't tell if they do cycles or not. If they one comes up here and the other comes back. Let's see. There's Granny. She's gonna come check out that. Let's see if Grandpa's over here. Watch Granny come back over here now. I swear if she does, I'm gonna blow her face off. Okay, I think Grandpa's coming back up. Oh, yeah, he is. Oh, gosh. He saw me. Okay. We're good. Oh, he's standing right there. Nice laugh. Grandpa's going back the other way. We actually might be able to make it somewhere. Yep, we can We can go this way. Unless he's back here, but I don't think he is. We need a crowbar for that. Nothing else in here. What is this thing? We got the wrench. Got the wrench for the downstairs. Okay, anybody down here? Let's go. Okay, we got the wrench. We got their weird little animal thing. Whatever that is. Okay, let's go ahead and use this. Okay, beautiful. Making progress. I haven't gotten killed by any of them yet. Glass fuse, I feel like I should probably bring like upstairs or something. Yeah, I think Granny's coming this way. Or not. Okay, we shut off the water. And go in there. I think we can go across that now. That thing is disgusting. Oh gosh, Granny's right there. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Okay. It was a little sketchy. I think we're good though. Oh gosh, I hate that. Oh, I hate that. How slow you move. Holy cow. We need, I think, I don't know. We need to find a crowbar.
I see
I
you.
don't know what else we can search. We don't really have anything on the main floor anymore to search. Oh gosh. Peepaw. Boosh. Get out of here, Grandpa. Piece of junk. What kind of creepy laugh is that? You weirdo. I keep getting trapped in here by these two pieces of junk. I need to get in there. But I need to not get my face blown off by them both. One thing I'm terrified of is rounding a corner and having one like right in my face. Okay. We're good. What's going on here? I don't know if they're upstairs or not. Need a safe key for that. Okay, anybody downstairs or upstairs? There's Grandma. I don't know if... Oh, I think Grandpa... Is he up here? No, he's not. Okay, we're good. We are good. I want to search the junk. The, cabinets and stuff that are right there, but I need to make sure they are not around me when I do that. I don't know where they are. I feel like someone's coming up here, but I'm not sure. Or not. I think we're good. Let's go ahead and, got a cutting pliers. Anybody coming? Not at the moment. Okay, what kind of key is this? Boat key. We're getting a lot of items for the boat. We got gas. Oh gosh, she's got me. Piece of junk. Granny's a piece of trash. Piece of junk, Granny. Alright. What the heck is going on? Okay, what do we got going on here? I need... There's nothing else really in the basement that we need. Don't think, honestly. Except for a crowbar. We need a crowbar. What we really need is a crowbar. I think they're both upstairs. Oh, here's Granny. I don't know where Grandpa is though. I don't really want to run into Grandpa. There's Granny again. What is this that I picked up? Oh! Oh my gosh, that scared the poop out of me, I'm not gonna lie. Holy cow. I don't know what I have here. What is this? Door lock. Ooh-wee. Can't stand this junk. Okay, I think they're both gone right now. They're both doing something else. I hate that. Oh geez Louise, that scared the poop out of me. I hate that they go up and down that they go up and down those stairs I opened up. Hey Granny. Having fun over there? We got their stupid meat for their stupid animal thing. I don't know if we should do that or not. Grandpa coming up here? I don't think so. I hear him. The meat. Okay. What do we got around? Oh gosh. Granny. Grandpa's gonna be coming down here probably. Let's give their thing the meat. Uh-oh. Forgot about that stupid bell. I hate that bell. I don't know where we put the meat for this thing.
Do you want to play hide and seek?
Okay, there's Granny. She's over in the cage. I want to feed this thing the chicken bone, the drumstick. Okay, Granny's still outside. She's being a piece of junk. She won't leave. Okay, are they both inside? I think they are. I'm gonna close the door. I think we gotta place that drumstick on that little case there. I'm not sure though. Okay, it's gone. And its thing. We gotta go in there? There's grenades. I don't know how we do its meat thing. Oh, we gotta... like this. What do we go in here? Or not? Whoa! Get away from me! Oh my gosh. I didn't see any items in there, so I don't know what... like, what are we supposed to do with that? Is it just to grab whatever's in there? Possibly. Unless I missed something. Your grandpa's listening to... grab a grenade. Blow their face off with a grenade. Oh, there's Grandpa. Oh gosh. Oh, it didn't work. Did I literally just closed? No, I didn't. He's gonna get me. Junk. Junk. I'm not doing good at this game at all. I can't find anything worth using. Game's junk. I literally don't know what to do. I don't know where anything is in this trash game. Nothing down here, I don't think. I mean, we have the boat key, but really all. We don't have a padlock key. We're kind of screwed in this game. Oh my gosh. Grandpa is a piece of junk. Yes, he is a piece of trash. Oh gosh. Okay, he lost track of me. Lost track of me. I just can't find the... Who the heck is playing the piano? Oh, it's Granny. Granny, you're not very good at playing the piano, you know that? Okay, we gotta be careful of Grandpa. We got some here. Spark plug. Granny's not very good at playing the piano. We're gonna drop that there. Anything in here? No. It's Grandpa up here? Yes, he is. So if Granny's here too, I'm gonna scream. Okay, she's around the corner. Can we get upstairs? I swear, if she's upstairs, we're done for. Okay, we're good. There's some drawers up here I wanted to search. I want to make sure nobody's up here. Junk, nothing. Here's, oh gosh, we're done. Junk! I can't, there's nothing, nowhere you can hide. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is hard. This game is hard. I thought I saw something in the bathroom, but I don't know. I'm playing it easy and I can barely even get through here. Like, I can't imagine playing on a harder difficulty. Anything in there? No, nothing. Someone over here. Grandpa's going upstairs. Okay. Who's just ringing the bell? We got the helicopter. Ah! Jeez Louise. Okay. We're dead. Oh, no, we got one more day. Effing Granny. Scaring the poop out of me like that. I think we're not gonna be able to do anything anymore. We're done for. We gotta just accept our fate, I guess, and there's nothing we can do. I don't know where anything is in this game. Where is everybody? Jeez Louise, that scared the poop out of me, actually. Okay, where is she? You coming from upstairs? Yes, she is. Okay. I swear, if Grandpa is around this corner, I will scream my head off. Okay, is Grandpa over here? Doing security checks? I don't know. Oh, we need cutting pliers for that. Where were those again? Ooh, I can't remember. Ooh, where were they again? They were... I thought they were somewhere upstairs here. I can't remember though. I believe they're somewhere up here. Now, of course, Grandma's gonna be up here. Oh wait, they were in that room, weren't they? Yes. Yes, they were. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and grab those. Don't think Grandpa's around here. No, I don't believe he is. We're dead. Get away. Get away. Oh, no, 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 no. Ah, darn it. Oh my gosh. I thought I was gonna... Oh, I'm so bad at this. I'm so bad at this. Of course he was there. Well, the only thing we can do is try again. We got murdered. Alright, here we are, day 1. I totally am angry at myself because I totally forgot to continue my recording and I had beaten one of the endings. Oh my gosh. I'm so mad. So we're gonna have to redo all this now. Just because I forgot. We gotta run away from Grandpa. Oh gosh. Grandma's not up here. Oh, she is. We're dead. We're dead. Yep. Oh my gosh. I'm so angry. I literally had one of the endings and we were doing good and I totally failed. So now we're getting wrecked. Well, hopefully we can do these endings again. Ooh, this game's a lot harder. Hold on, let me turn on the fan. This game is a lot harder than chapter 1, Granny, so we gotta be careful not to run into both of them at the same time. Okay, who's down here? Nobody. Let's pull this thing out. Okay, anybody outside? No. Nobody's outside. Okay. Oh, there's no thing in there anymore. Dang it. I was using grenades to kind of help me out. Now there's none in there. Junk. It's in here. Spark plug. Okay, there's Grandpa. Run. Okay. Oh, no, not again. Junk. I hate this. I hate this. Oh, I'm gonna escape. Go, 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 go. Oh my gosh. How did I do that? Holy cheeks. I can't believe I escaped. Alright, let's loop him around. Grandpa, why are you so blind? Jeez Louise, Grandpa, you're a piece of trash. Okay. Ooh, let's hide in here. Ooh, I don't think either of them saw me, so we're good. Alright. Should be good. They both walked a different direction. Let's go in here. Close the door behind us just to make sure Granny doesn't sneak up on us, and we're dead. Oh gosh. Where did Grandpa go? I think Grandpa went upstairs, if I'm not mistaken. We should be fine. Oh, we need this for upstairs. Is that we need that? Okay. I'm gonna try to do the same ending that I did last game. Just because those cheeks. Alright, let's just throw that there. Let's open this. Get in here before they blow our face off. What is that? Oh, door handle. Too bad we are not doing that ending. So, yeah, we're doing the helicopter ending because that's what I had done. So, we're gonna do that. And then we're gonna do the other 2 endings. Okay, turned on the radio. Their pet opened or rang the bell. This we need for upstairs. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, I hate that. Oh gosh, it's so bad. Alright, we'll wait for Granny to leave. We gotta find the taser. The taser is what saved me in the last game. Seriously. I had used the taser last game. If it's in here, that would be nice. This is where I found it last game. There's the wrench. Is that the weapons key? Oh, we can do the weapons key right off the bat here. Get the shotgun. Ooh. Get his thing. Oh gosh, there's Granny. Okay, we get the shotgun. Good, good, good. Okay. Okay, we got the shotgun. That's good. Okay, we need Granny now. Come on, Granny. Where are you, Granny? Oh, what? That didn't hit her? What was that? Oh, that's a spark plug. Okay, we don't need that. Is there another shotgun shell somewhere? I don't think so. But we don't really need that. Let's go ahead and drop. Actually, is there a shotgun shell up here? Oh, yes, there is. We can blow Granny's face off. Where are you, Granny? Die, Granny. Alright, let's take the key. And we're gonna go upstairs. And ooh, what's in here? Oh, we need a crowbar. Go ahead and unlock this. What's in here? Boat key. We're not doing that ending, so we don't need that. Let's go up here. Oh, we should probably grab the shotgun. We need the shotgun. Can't go through here. We can drop down here though. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and grab the shotgun. There we go. Reload this puppy. And we will go ahead and open this door. And then there's another door we can open also. Yeah, we can do this one. We need the cutters for that. We can go in here. Oh, we need the picture pieces for that. Those grandpas probably getting close to being awake. Go ahead and put these up here. Go up here. Put these down. That, come on, go down. There we go. What's up here? The taser would be nice. Nope, no taser. Okay, Grandpa should be awake. I do not hear him. Maybe he's not yet. Okay, no, I don't think they are yet. Or he is. What was that? Oh, I thought that was the picture piece, but it's not. Ooh, there's the stun gun. Oh, heck yeah, I love the stun gun. We're gonna save the bullets. I think he's over here. Hello? Nope, he's not up here. Okay, I don't know where Grandpa is. Don't know where Granny's probably not spawned in yet. Yeah, I need them to spawn in. Alright, I think someone's coming. We're gonna go ahead and shoot them with the taser. Alright, we're gonna speed this up a little bit. Clearly none of them want to come up here now. Give me that. Hi, Granny. There we go. Granny is now down. And we need to find Grandpa now. He's down here somewhere, I believe. Our Grandpa, where are you at? There you are. Piece of trash. And you're down too. Okay, let's go ahead and reload this thing. We're gonna drop it up here somewhere. We searched that? Yeah, we did. Okay. We got the wrench. We don't. Yeah, we do need that actually. We're gonna go ahead and see if the cutters is over here. Is it in here? Nope, cutters is not in there. In here. Ooh, crowbar. I'll take that. There's a crowbar area over here, and then there's one in the basement. Go ahead and do that. We need that gas can. Now let's go do the one in the basement quick before any of them spawn again. Okay, where's the basement? It's this way. On the other side. Did we searched this already? Yes, we did. Alright, it's empty. And let's find this place. Grab this. There's the cutters. Beautiful. Alright, so we're gonna head up here, and then this kind of scared the poop out of me when I did this the first time. Cut this. Body falls out. That kind of scared me. Okay, we got the safe key. We really don't need... I mean, there could be something in there. Okay, where is my taser? Gotta find... Someone's awake. I think it's Granny I shot first, yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and get our taser ready to take her out. There we go. Oh yeah, I thought it was funny the way they wiggle all over the place when they get shot. Grandpa's awake now too. He's downstairs, I believe. There he is. There we go. Grandpa is now down too. So let's go ahead and grab our safe key here. Grab that. We'll go ahead and open up the safe over here. Anything in here? No, there is not. What we got in here? Padlock key. What did I need the padlock key for? All the way down here. The padlock thing. Guess we can open it and see. Doesn't hurt. Okay, let's grab this. Open this. Oh, that opens up that gate. Yep. Oh, we need this duct tape. We'll go ahead and take this upstairs. So we need this for the helicopter when we do this ending. Where's the stairs? Am I stupid? Yes, I am stupid. It's over here. Yeah, I want to get the taser back up and ready here again. There we go. And we need to get some meat. I want to take Granny and Grandpa back out again. Oh, there's the meat. Okay. I'm gonna wait for them to wake up again, and then I'm gonna tase them. Alright, here we go. Here comes Granny again. Taser out. Beautiful. Get out of here. And Grandpa is now awake also. There he is. I love the way Grandpa just shakes his face when he gets killed, or when he gets taken out. Alright, what are we doing again? Gosh, I'm stupid. I don't remember what I was doing. Oh yeah, I was doing the meat. I want to go get the junk from the kennel of that thing. Alright, let's go ahead and give the meat to their pet. Weird spider thing. Whatever you want to call it. Oh gosh, scared the poop out of me. Oh, we need to do the stupid... I'm not ready for this yet. Oh, there's the other piece. Let's take that upstairs. We need to take the wrench down here. We need to get their pet, that water clear there. Right, we'll take this up here. We'll just throw this in here. Throw this in here. And we need this up here. And we need to get the wrench down there. We're gonna do this. Throw this out here, and then we're gonna go grab the taser again. Just to be sure that we can take out Granny and Gramps when they come back. Alright, there we go. Beautiful. Go ahead and undo the water. Okay. There we go. They should be coming back anytime soon here. Let's see. Kind of listen for them. Oh, yep, I hear Granny. Okay, where's Granny coming from? She probably come from upstairs. Yep, there's Granny. Just taser right here. Alright, where's Grandpa? I hear him. There he is. There we go. Grandpa's down. And let's go give their pet some meat here. Where'd the meat go? With the cheeks. Did it like come out here and snag it or something? Piece of junk? What the heck's going on here? Okay, luckily the meat respawns, so we can go and grab it again. And let's go ahead and give it to that stupid piece of junk again because it ate. I don't know if it ate it or not, or if it just respawned. We need you to go away. Come on. Get out of here. Go back in your cage. Go back in your cage. Oh my gosh. You're a piece of junk. You're wasting precious time, you piece of trash. Oh my gosh. There we go. Give it its meat. There we go. We got the helicopter key. There we go. Beautiful. That is what we needed. Alright. Now we can take all our helicopter junk upstairs. And we're gonna need the shotgun for up there, so we're gonna have to bring that with us. So we might as well just blow Granny and Gramps' face off again. I feel like there's something else that I'm kind of missing. What do I all need? Okay, there's Grandma. Grandma's down. Yeah, there you are. Alright, now you're down. Now let's bring all our junk upstairs so that we don't have to come back down here. Let's see. Bring the shotgun up here. We're just gonna bring everything up here. Throw it all down here. Alright, here we go. We got everything up here now. Now we can go ahead and put this picture up. Beautiful. Put you up. There we go. Open the door. Wait, I didn't grab the... Okay, we gotta grab this fuse. That kind of scared me. I thought someone was coming for a second. But I think we're good. Okay. Now we gotta play this little mini game that I'm real good at. Oh yeah, look at that. Come on. Here we go. And one more. Really? Piece of junk. There we go. Okay. There we go. Now we need to get this little fuse. Beautiful. And we gotta be careful not to fall to the ceiling over here. There we go. Little trap door there. You gotta be careful of. Okay, so let's grab the tape. We can open the door around that way, so we can just go around then, instead of running all the way around here. There's a boat steering wheel. Oh, here's the grenades. Alright, we gotta fix the helicopter's blade. Like that. Beautiful. That totally would not work in real life. This game is beautiful. Yeah, we need to grab the gas. And we gotta fill this puppy up. Full to the brim. Put fuel in her. There we go. Alright, there we go. We put fuel in it. Now we just need to grab the helicopter key. And we should be home free. What's in here? Oh, we got the hand wheel in here. Alright. Now we should be good to go. Jump in the helicopter and F to start the engine. There we go. Beat the game once again. Just because I forgot to hit record. Again. Here we are. Leaving. Granny's shaking her head. She's angry at Grandpa. The end. Alright. Alright guys, so that was Granny Chapter 2, the helicopter ending. So if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and in the next video, we're going to continue on with chapter 2 and seeing what other ending we can get. It's either the front door or the boat ending. So I will see you guys in the next video.